innovatively upgraded. The LED laser K5 Pro is a 65 watts high-power, high-concentration dual-beam lens. Once you turn it on, its powerful and dazzling light instantly illuminates the road ahead. Pedestrians on the road and broken-down vehicles in front can be clearly spotted right away, giving you precious time to deal with potential dangers. The K5 Pro high-concentration dual-beam lens is a perfect combination of advanced technology and high-quality materials. It uses industry-leading optical technology to precisely control the direction and range of light propagation. Notably, the K5 Pro features a customized 6+3 chip design. The highest density, upgraded, large chips bring even more powerful lighting performance. Moreover, it supports DIY customization options. Whether it's high-definition customization or blue film customization, it can meet your personalized needs. Additionally, this dual-beam lens is compatible with multiple vehicle models, providing convenience for owners of different cars. Additionally, the ultra-speed silent fan reaches up to 1,200 RPM, ensuring efficient heat dissipation without excessive noise generation. Choose the K5 Pro high-concentration dual-beam lens, and it will be your royal companion for night driving.